ID Technology continues to innovate our product line. We've listened to our customers who have asked for washdown capable print and apply labeling systems. So we've built the 465 print and apply with the CarbonFlex servo motor applicator module in a washdown enclosure. When you're in operation, the hood is up and it's out of the way, easy for the operator to use it, and it runs clean. When you're ready for sanitation, this door unlocks and swings down, closing the entire unit, ready and safe for sanitation. This will prevent you needing to remove the unit from the production line and cause additional headaches. Simple, quick, efficient, and wash down.